Hey kid, what are you doing? I got Tipper out in this little tote. I had to clean his enclosure out this morning. He made a little bit of a mess. It's one of my oldest ball pythons. Ginger is only maybe 5-6 years older than Tipper, somewhere around there. I lose track, I've got so many of them, but I know approximately how old they are. Good morning, Tipper. Good morning, Tipper. You gonna come out? I give them the choice to come out. That's why I don't put tops on these. So they can come out if they want to. Most of the time they're happy sitting here in these plastic totes beside me on the daybed. So I give them their choice. You know, if they want to come out and roam around, they're free to. I hate being forceful with my snakes. Sometimes you have to take control and be the boss with them, but I try not to be unless it's something I really have to address. I think they deserve the freedom to express themselves. Want to turn your toad around? There you go, to make you dizzy spinning you. To make you dizzy. Hi, Tipper. Tipper. I love my normal ball pythons. They'll still always be my favorites of all of them. Hi, Handsome. He can't decide if he wants to come out or not. What are you doing? You gonna come out? Or you gonna hang out and look at me through a piece of plastic? You gonna come visit with me? So I don't know what I want yet. I've already cleaned his enclosure. I've got one rule with my snakes. If I have to take them out of their enclosures for anything, like to clean them or take them outdoors, before I put them back in their enclosures, I invest personal time with them so I can bond with them and let them know that there's a lot more going on between us than just taking them out and sticking them back in their enclosures. That really bothers me. I can't do that with a clear conscience. I have to invest some time with them because they mean that much to me. You gonna stay in there all afternoon? Huh? You don't want to come out and see me? Tipper! Tipper! He's a beautiful normal. He's over 5 feet. Big boy. Very big boy. Hi, Tip. Mama loves you. I don't have a favorite. Some of my snakes demand more of my time than others do, so if they demand that extra time from me, I invest it with them. But as far as a favorite, out of all my snakes, I love them all the same for the individuals that they are. I don't have a favorite. That's just not my style, to pick one above all the rest, because I don't do that. So no, I don't have a favorite. Some I spend more time with because that's what they want, but it's not because they're on top of my list of favorites. It's because that's their needs at the time. That's just how I raised all my snakes. That's probably why they're so friendly and social. I give them the opportunity to make the choice.